God truly keeps his promises. Your house and your kingdom will endure forever before me. Your throne will be established forever. 2 Samuel 7:16. Do you ever wonder how faithful God is to keep his promises to you? In today's scripture, God promised David that one of his descendants would always be on the throne of Israel. Over 300 years later, one of David's relatives, King Hezekiah, and his throne were in great danger. An overwhelming army had surrounded Jerusalem and there was no way out. But at the last minute, God sent an angel who destroyed 185,000 enemy troops, and the people were saved. God explained to Hezekiah why he did it. He said, "David's been in the grave for 300 years. But I made that promise to him about his throne. I always keep my promises. Maybe you're standing on a promise and it hasn't come to pass yet. Don't worry. If God will go to such great lengths to keep his promises to a man who is dead, how much more will he keep his promise to you? Stay in faith, keep reminding him what he promised, and keep thanking him that it's on the way. You're about to see God show out in your life.